Innovative technology to propel your gardening experience. This is the AVA Byte. The LED button is your first step to starting your garden. When you plug your AVA Byte in, touch and hold down the button until a yellow light appears. This tells you that your Byte is in its provisioning stage. You may also see the light turn different colors. Orange means it's disconnected, white in its on and off stage, and blue when you have filled your Byte sufficiently with water. Multiple sensors determine the amount of light, temperature, humidity level, and water levels. AVA AI will adjust the lighting and watering based on what you are growing and where you are growing. The Byte has a removable water tray that allows the plants to get perfect circulation of water. The water is a closed-loop circulation, so no water will be wasted. You'll save up to 95% of your water. The Byte can hold up to 5 liters of water, but you should only fill to 3 to 3.5 liters. Depending on the stage of the plants at the time, you won't have to fill up for 2 to 4 weeks. A NASA-inspired LED system includes 34 individual LED lights, 20 white, 10 red, 4 blue, all designed to automatically adjust to the unique needs of your plant's development. The lights will vary from being on for 10 to 20 hours a day depending on the current stage of your growing recipe. The pump and lights run for an average of 16 hours per day. This is about $3 of electricity costs per month. View your photo gallery while on vacation to check up on your plants. Our HD camera has a fisheye lens and will take between 1 to 7 pictures a day for 30 days to complete a time lapse. As your plants grow taller, you'll want to adjust the neck of your Byte to make room for them to grow without being close to the LED lights. The neck extends to 47 centimeters to allow for maximum growth. The Byte connects to Wi-Fi so that you can get live notifications through the AVA Garden app. Ever wonder what your plants are thinking? Well, now your plants have a voice. Use Amazon and ask, "Hey Alexa, when is my garden ready to harvest?"
This is what the harvest schedule looks like. LED basil will be ready in 71 days. Red Reuben basil will be ready in 69 days.
Now that you're all caught up, it's time to get growing.